Hey all, we're back again. Tas Ganesh from Cloud Complete.
That's us.
That's us. What are we going to talk about today, Tas?
Well, today we're going to talk about the cloud. That's what we do.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's interesting you say that. In fact, I wanted to, say that because I had a pretty interesting reaction from a person when she said,
A person?
yeah, from a prospect, customer, whatever. She said, the iCloud, is it the iCloud? So, and then there are others who say, we are on the cloud because we use Zero. So, quite a lot of interesting reactions.
So talking to prospects and gauging their understanding of the cloud.
What the cloud is, right?
It's very different. No one knows what it is. Is that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's good that you say that because I wanted to ask you, what is cloud to you?
What is cloud to me? Well, Ganesh, that's a tough question to answer, and I don't think there's a single answer for that. But look, if I had to put a word to what is the cloud, I would say the cloud is money.
Okay, why would you say that?
Why would I say that? Well, it's really simple. The cloud is about productivity. That's what that's how we look at it.
Yeah.
And so what does productivity mean? Productivity means doing things more efficiently.
Yeah.
And doing things more efficiently means saving time.
Yeah.
And Ganesh, I'll let you piece that together.
Yeah, the old saying, time is money.
Time is money. So if we use the cloud, if we're using the cloud the way we should be,
so
the cloud complete way,
it makes us a lot more efficient, productive, and therefore
we're saving time, and time is money. So there you
right.
go. The cloud is money. If anyone asks,
that's pretty good.
The cloud is money.
I think I'll use it the next time. Yeah.
Good. All right. So with that little definition out of the way, let's jump into what we're going to talk about today, which is, well, why don't you introduce it?
Yeah, definitely. I think we need to, refer to the conversation again when you talk about time. We are excited at Cloud Complete. We are excited about a lot of products that we believe is pretty useful to us. And one particular feature was Calendar.help, which got released 2 to 3 weeks back.
Maybe a month ago. Not long ago. Very recently.
Yeah, very recently, right?
Okay.
And I remember you getting so excited about it.
Doing backflips really.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. So maybe we should talk about that.
Great. Okay. So Calendar.help, as the name implies, Calendar.help is there to help us with the calendar.
Right.
So let's just bring up the Calendar.help website.
While you're doing that, why do you think it would be of, what's the problem in setting up meetings, Tas?
Well, that is a good question, and let's just take what's on the page here, which just says, meet Calendar.help. You're too busy to schedule meetings. Let us take care of it for you.
Right. Okay.
What are we talking about here? We're talking about scheduling meetings. And as you were about to say, Ganesh, scheduling meetings is something that can be fairly time consuming.
Yeah. We'll have to decide on the time slots. That might take a couple of iterations through emails, phones, and again, wasting a lot of time.
Yeah, indeed. So I don't know when you're available, you don't know when I'm available, and we go back and forth a little bit to figure that out. Maybe we start with a day of the week, then a time, then a place.
Right.
Now that's just you and I. What happens if there's 10 people that need to attend the meeting? All of a sudden, it just becomes difficult.
True.
So, a few people have tried to solve this, and Microsoft have come out with their solution. And what I like about this solution, what I think is really, really good, is this one uses artificial intelligence. It uses what's known as Cortana, which is built into Windows 10, and that's Microsoft's artificial intelligence.
Virtual assistant,
virtual assistant. So it's the Siri of Windows, or the Siri of Microsoft, if you like.
Right.
And that's what is behind Calendar.help. So we've been using it for a while now. We think it's fantastic.
Right.
I've saved heaps of time already just by using it.
Yeah, definitely. Same here.
How much did it cost me? Zero. Nothing. That's right. What did we need to get started?
Office 365.
That's right.
And who should they come to?
Well, Cloud Complete.
Cloud Complete.
We've got you sorted there. So if you don't have Office 365 and you want Office 365 or you want Calendar.help, then
Cloud
come
Complete.
talk to us, Cloud Complete.
We're here to help you.
We'll sort you out.
It's interesting as well because you were talking about a customer. He thought Cortana was your assistant.
Yeah. So this is the hilarious. It is so realistic, and we'll get into how it works quickly in a moment. But it is so human-like that people think it is a person.
Right.
So how does it work, Ganesh? Maybe you can explain just quickly.
Sure. So
run me through the process of scheduling a meeting. So you and I need to have a meeting. We might need to invite a third person. What do you do?
what I do is I just copy Cortana in. When I send an email.
So
the CC field I just put in Cortana,
Mm-hmm.
and I just say just fix the time next week. You
Mhm.
know,
So you're not actually specific about the time.
the date and time. No, I just say fix the time next week.
Uh-huh.
Say I can put in a range maybe between 10 and 3,
Mm-hmm.
right? And what it does is it looks into the calendar,
Mm-hmm.
and it schedules. It sends an email right away saying
Mhm.
I'm on top of it. Don't worry, I'll take care of it for you.
Right. So Cortana acts like a real assistant.
Yes,
Says, "Hey
exactly.
Ganesh, don't worry about it. I've got this one."
We've got you sorted, yeah.
Mhm.
And then it sends one more email saying it's scheduled.
Mhm.
This is the time. For example, I sent an email to you because we're going to have a meeting next week. Saying
So one email
Yeah.
to all the participants of the
Yes.
meeting,
Yep.
and CC to
CC
Cortana.help. You instruct Cortana
Yeah.
when you'd like to schedule the meeting.
Exactly. And it does the needful.
And Cortana then takes that and liaises with
With-
all of the people.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. And tries to find a time that suits everyone.
Yes.
Great.
Simple.
Now, how does Cortana know when you're available?
Calendar.
She looks at your calendar.
Yeah. Looks at the calendar.
Because it's in Office 365, so
Right.
obviously it can figure it out pretty easily.
Yes.
And it then it will work around your schedule.
Correct.
And
And then it looks into your calendar if you're the next. if you're the person who I have to set up a meeting with,
Mhm.
and then it looks at the time which is available to both of us.
goes back and forth with people
Yes.
where it may not have access to the calendar, but
Yes.
it will schedule a time through. So it will email these people on your behalf. Now, as I was saying earlier, what's really funny about this is that people actually think it's a person because
Yes.
it's so realistic, and
Yes.
they actually respond to Cortana with an email. So
Thank you, Cortana.
either saying yes, I'm available, or no, I'm not. Please suggest another time, and it actually just picks it up and. It really is like dealing with a person. It is absolutely phenomenal.
Insane,
how
yeah.
well it works.
It is insane.
And then the final bit is once it's figured out who's available when and settled on a time, it puts an invite it sends a calendar
It sends a
invite to the
calendar
other
invite.
people,
Yep.
and for you it puts it straight into the calendar.
Yes.
Job's done. Right. How much time did you save there?
Lots. Heaps.
Potentially
Heaps of time.
Yeah.
What should the people who are watching this video do, Tas?
Well, I think everyone watching, if they've got Office 365, or even if they don't, get in touch with us. And jump on the website, Calendar.help,
Yeah.
enter your work email, and what will happen, you'll sign up.
Yeah, you sign up and you'll get an email saying it's ready to go,
Uh-huh.
but there's a wait list.
There's a wait list.
And we've got a solution for that.
Okay, we do?
We do.
Cloud Complete's got you covered?
Yeah, absolutely. So,
Okay.
what's the solution, Tas? Let's show them that.
You tell me, Ganesh.
So we've got a code over here, cupcake frosting.
Uh-huh.
So go to the website and use the code cupcake frosting.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe Cortana likes it. I don't know.
Cortana likes cupcakes.
Yeah, and you would get priority. I don't know. And you would get priority over the others. So the wait list would, I'm sure, it would be shortened
Mhm.
when you use cupcake frosting.
So you jump the queue.
Yeah, jump the
you
queue.
bring cupcakes, you jump the queue.
Jump the queue.
All right, there you go. So simple as that. Calendar.help. Put your email address in. Enter the code cupcake frosting, which is on the screen there. Start using it. It's
Yes.
really as simple as CC Cortana.help.
Absolutely.
Let him or her know when you want to
and-
schedule a meeting, and
that's
away
the
you
job for you.
go. Start saving time. Start saving money because, as we said earlier, cloud is money. Time
Yeah,
is money. All
cloud
of
is
that.
time is money. And if you have any issues, feel free to get in touch with us at cloudcomplete.com.au.
Yeah, we're here to help, and if you've got any questions or you'd like to know more, reach out to us directly. Make sure you share this with your friends if you found it
Yeah.
useful, and we'll see you next time.
Absolutely. See
See
you
you
all
later.